Lisa and her family have recently become interested in nature camping trips. They planned a weekend camping trip to escape the busy work schedule and traffic in the city. They did their research on the location and what they would need a few days before and finally found a suitable spot. When they arrived at the campsite, they saw that they were in the middle of a beautiful forest. They relaxed with the sounds of nature and got rid of their stress. They started a campfire, went on hikes, and slept under the stars. They had a great time. Experiences like this allow people to discover the beauty of nature and make camping more popular. People find peace and tranquility in nature, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Therefore, nature camping trips will continue to become more popular. Nature camping trips have gained significant popularity in recent years, as more people seek to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the growing popularity of nature camping trips. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. The appeal of nature camping trips. There are several reasons why nature camping trips have become increasingly popular. Escaping the stress of modern life. Many people are looking for ways to escape the stress of modern life, and nature camping trips provide the perfect opportunity to disconnect from technology and connect with nature. Health benefits. Spending time in nature has been shown to have several health benefits, including reducing stress, improving mood, and lowering blood pressure. Affordable. Nature camping trips can be an affordable way to travel and experience new places. Camping gear can be rented or purchased relatively inexpensively, and campsites are often much cheaper than hotels. Sustainable tourism. As people become more conscious of the impact of their travel on the environment, nature camping trips offer a sustainable tourism option that minimizes the carbon footprint. The rise of glamping. While traditional camping has always been popular, the rise of glamping has made camping more accessible to those who may not be comfortable with roughing it in the wilderness. Glamping, or glamorous camping, provides all the amenities of a luxury hotel in a natural setting. Glamping options range from luxury tents and cabins to treehouses and yurts. Glamping has allowed more people to experience the beauty of nature without sacrificing comfort. The impact on local economies. Nature camping trips have also had a significant impact on local economies. As more people choose to travel to natural destinations, local businesses have sprung up to cater to this demand. From outdoor gear rental companies to local restaurants and farmers markets, nature camping trips have created new opportunities for small businesses. The importance of responsible tourism. As nature camping trips become more popular, it is essential to emphasize the importance of responsible tourism. This means respecting the natural environment and leaving no trace behind. Campers should always follow the principles of leave no trace and minimize their impact on the environment. It is also important to respect local cultures and traditions and support local businesses to ensure sustainable tourism practices. In conclusion, nature camping trips have become increasingly popular as people seek to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. The rise of glamping has made camping more accessible to those who may not be comfortable with traditional camping, and the impact on local economies has been significant. As the popularity of nature camping trips continues to grow, it is essential to prioritize responsible tourism to ensure the sustainability of these natural destinations for generations to come.